Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can get a hosting a discount with a coupon. So you go to the link in the description, then you arrive on this page. Here you click on claim deal, then you go to add to cart. And on this page here you can decide which period you want the hosting to be. So you can go for 48 months, then you get 2 months for free. Here you go with 24 months, then you don't get any months for free. And you should also notice that the renewal fee is a little bit different. So here it's only $6.99 after the 4 years, and here it's $7.99, here it's $8.99. And this is the monthly plan. I wouldn't recommend that because it's just too high. So yeah, you should choose one of these three. And then you go down, and here you see, so if we take this plan for example, you see it's $107. So if you click on have a coupon and type in Daniel, then you will get a discount, so you only pay $158. And yeah, it's also worth it to note that you have a free domain included for the first year. You can use 100 websites on this hosting. You don't have a limit on traffic, 24-hour support, and all plans have 100 gigabyte storage. But yeah, that's enough for at least 50 websites, 50 medium-sized websites. And yeah, so you have a free SSL and uptime guarantee and weekly backups. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and see you.